Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra Sibanda and today I will be showing you my makeup routine. If you are new to this channel, just kindly subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, show some love guys. So here I have a Gentle Magic, it's a moisturizer, so I'm going to put Gentle Magic moisturizer. So here I have calamine lotion, so I'm putting calamine lotion. It's good for the skin. Then I'm going to put the primer. So you have to distribute the color corrector first before it dries out as fast as possible. So that's my foundation. I'm going to put some foundation.
Mama, I finished. Okay, a big cake. Mama, I finished a big cake.
Okay. Just make sure that you're tipping it
Mommy,
in.
Mommy.
Put there. Put that side. Tap, 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 tap. And do not use too much product. You just need to tap it in before it dries out. So you just put a portion, tap it in. Put a portion, tap it in before it dries out. That's all. So when you're putting on the forehead, you have to put it lower. Don't put it on top there. Just put it lower. Then as you blend, you go on top. To avoid putting excess product at the edge of your hairline. So that's it. Just have to tap it in. Don't forget. So now I have the concealers from Huda Beauty. So we are going to mix it together. blusher that I'm going to go for. That's the blush. It's new. How did I open this?
What is that?
It's a blusher.
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 What is that?
And that's how it's packaged.
And what is that? A package. What is that? Ayacha.
Are you standing on my...
Money.